All Oakville buyers, if you are thinking of buying a new build town or detached homes in Oakville, here are top 3 projects you should know right now. Oakville's first one is Upper Joshua Creek by Matme Homes on Dundas Street and 3rd Line. They have amazing 2-story townhomes starting from just $1 million and detached homes starting from just $1.3 million with tons of incentives and upgrades like 10-feet ceilings, hardwood floors and free assignment. Some are quick move-ins and some with 1 to 2 years of closing date. The school ranking is high. Commute to Mississauga and GO station is short drive. Overall location is A++. Oakville's second gem is Ivy Rouge by Rosehaven Homes on 6th Line and Burnhamthorpe Road in North Oakville. Rosehaven is another great and reliable builder to work with. They have traditional townhomes starting from just 1.1 million, semi-detached from 1.2 million and detached homes starting from just 1.7 million. They're also offering free decor dollars, 10-feet ceilings, more customization options and some broker discount too. For that, you obviously need to call us. This location has high ranking schools too and it is not very far from Milton and 407. If you are a fan of Southwest Oakville, third one in the list is Riverview by Kaiwan on Bronte Road and QEW. One of the best neighborhoods on the west end of Oakville. This project is launching in few weeks and they will have towns and detached homes. Kaiwan Homes always give huge surprise broker discounts, and if you are looking to buy in Southwest Oakville, call me before they release new homes. Upon your registration, I will send you pricing, floor plan and all broker incentive information. I will also answer all your questions that builder may not. And on top, we charge nothing to you. Get the best deal by clicking on the link below.